Brad here from the Red Barons, aka Craig Bellamy. How was the game today?
Yeah, it's a good game. Went behind and then came back and ended up winning 3-1.
So does that speak about a lot of character within the squad at the moment?
Yeah, I suppose so. The boys did well, so yeah, good game.
Alright, well good luck for next week, cheers.
Cheers.
We just have Philip Rollo here from the Lawnmowers. How's the game today?
It was a bit of a disappointing one. We got off to a good start and we're leading 1-0, but we were a few players down today, so they're probably told in the second half we kind of fell away a wee bit, and once they struck back, yeah, we lost our way and ended up losing 3-1, so yeah, a bit of a disappointing result after a good start.
Well, good luck next week, cheers.
Cool, thanks.